In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the Suno AI Create button not working. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry. We'll walk through some solutions that might help you get back to creating music with Suno AI effortlessly. First off, let's make sure you're properly logged into Suno AI. Sometimes, what seems like a complex issue can be resolved by something as simple as ensuring you're signed in correctly. Start by visiting the Suno AI website and logging in with your credentials. A fresh login will eliminate any session discrepancies that might be causing the button to malfunction. Once logged in, the next step is to refresh your page. This is surprisingly effective and often recommended for tackling temporary glitches. Simply hit the refresh button on your browser or press F5 on your keyboard. A page refresh can clear session anomalies and restore proper functionality. As you explore these solutions, pay attention to any error messages that appear on your screen. These messages can provide specific insights into what's going wrong. Sometimes, an error is triggered when you click the Create button, pointing to a distinct problem that you'll need to address accordingly. It's crucial to double-check that you have filled in both a style and lyrics before you attempt to create a song. If either of these fields is left blank, it could prevent the Create button from working altogether. Ensure all required fields are complete to avoid these hiccups. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, clearing your browser cache might be the next logical step. An outdated or corrupted cache can interfere with your online experience, causing unexpected behavior. Clear your cache through the browser settings and restart the browser to see if this fixes the problem. Another effective tactic is to log out of your account and then log back in. Resetting your session can often solve account-specific issues that might not be resolved by a simple page refresh. Server-side issues with Suno are another possibility. In cases where Suno AI faces server problems or is overwhelmed with requests, waiting a few minutes before trying again could do the trick. Switching to a different browser is another option if the issue persists. Certain problems may be localized to your current browser due to compatibility issues. Additionally, avoid including band names in your music prompts. Suno AI might struggle to generate music using these, and having a more generic prompt can also prevent complications. Pay attention to any time limits you set in your prompts, as these can occasionally cause difficulties. Lastly, make sure you've not run out of daily free credits or that your subscription plan is still active. Although most users experience issues regardless of credits, it's always worth verifying this aspect. By following these steps, you should be on your way to solving the issue with Suno AI's Create button. Remember, persistence and patience are key. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Suno AI's support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy music creation.